everyone, welcome to FE Trick Videos. We are going to explain some fast and easy tricks here. So, we go with a fantastic tutorial about Android devices that you can boost your device and increase the speed of your hardware by just changing some of the settings. So, let's go. Okay, here we go. You must go to the settings, then if you have device developer option, click on it. But if you don't have it, you must go to the about phone section, then click on software information and tap to build number for 7 times. Now you have device developer option in your settings. Go there and looking for 3 options which they will decrease the speed of animations of your phone. Reduce all of them and set them on 0.5 or turn them off. Now you can see your phone that has been boosted. This is a trick that you won't waste long time for watching animations of your phone. And nothing else to point. Just please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification. Thank you, have a good day, see you in the next video.